theory, I'm the target market for this product. I'm supposed to be transported back to a time in my teenage years when having a Nokia 3210 would have made me the envy of all the call girls and drug dealers at my high school. And in theory, there's a lot to like here if what you're after is the durability and battery longevity of these classic phones, but with some modern creature comforts, like say, not having to carry around a proprietary charging brick. It's got USB-C charging, 3.5mm jack so you can play your music tunes. Integrated camera, how many megapixels? 2 megapixels! It does have a flash, and of course, the convenience of T9 texting. Ooh, hey, look at that. Oh, I guess it's gonna need a battery first. You might be wondering who HMD is. Nokia is one of those kind of zombie brands where theoretically the trademark is still owned by Nokia Corporation, but the brand has been licensed by another company, kind of like how you might see something from RCA on the shelf. Dude, RCA in its original form hasn't existed in a very, very long time. In terms of included accessories, this is pretty much it. USB-C charger, yeah, I won't be able to use that one, but you might. Rechargeable 5.5 watt-hour lithium-ion battery. Ooh, does it have a micro SD slot? It totally does! And dual SIM capabilities. How does this thing have features that my flagship device doesn't? What's the cost on this? $95 US. All right, SIM's in. Hey, wow, what a big panel gap. That is several full millimeters between the front glass and the display panel itself. Of course, that's how you get durability like this. Right? Okay, no service. Let's give it a second here. While we wait, why don't I tell you about our sponsor? dbrand, oh God.
dbrand doesn't sell anything for this phone and didn't send us anything. They just said to like throw stuff at you.
Oh, why? Why with the feathers? Why with the feathers?
Where can they buy good skin? No, censor that.
All right, go get a dbrand skin. They're available for video game consoles, phones, controllers, laptops, all kinds of devices in a variety of styles. Quality, no residue. We'll have them linked down below. Why did we do this?
Because they pay us.
So far, I've found support for MMS messages. You can tell it to receive them automatically or prompt you to receive them, which can be nice if you're roaming. Notifications, yeah, I mean, that's it. Messages, calls, and voicemail. I wasn't able to get an internet connection, maybe because it's not actually available in North America. Wow. Well, that looks terrible. If the original 3210 had a camera, that would probably be it. Okay, let's try a video. Yo, what's up? I'm just filming on my Nokia 3210. This really does remind me of my very first little like portable video recording device that I had as a child. Probably had similar specs. 64 megabytes of RAM, 128 megabytes of internal storage on this bad boy, and a Unisoc T107 SoC. I guess it's unit SoC, I don't know. But it does support Facebook, just through a browser, and that is not working on our device. But ooh, Snake! Wait, what? This isn't what Snake looks like. If you're gonna have Snake, you should just have original Snake. You know what? I don't mind the D-pad. D-pad feels all right. You can go off the edge. Are you messing with me? You're messing with me. There's no way. I'm not trying it. I'm getting the high score, brother. No! No way, you can go off the edge. That's so stupid. Look how easily I can get out of this box. Stupid. Oh, I guess I'll just easily get out of the box again. All right, what else is on here? Radio. Can confirm that is in fact what listening to music was like. Insert headset to get better performance. Ah, that's right. It uses your headphone wire as an antenna. Okay, hold on, that's a feature, not a bug. Why? It gives you a warning about listening at high volume levels and then literally cranks it to 9 when you open the app. I'm pretty sure it wasn't at 9 before I plugged in the headphones. Remarkably bad. Yeah, this is a mess. If Linus Media Group ever reaches the point where we're willing to license our brand to shovelware producing companies like this to just, profit off of I mean, it can't even be that much profit. Let the company die. You know, just put it out of its misery. All right, I need to make a phone call because realistically, everything I've said so far, kind of irrelevant, right? What it comes down to is, how good of a phone is it? Hi lady, I'm just calling you from this phone that I'm trying out. Wow, you know what? It supports VoLTE, and the call quality, actually pretty good. Hold on, can I put you on speaker? No, that was a legitimate question. I'm not sure if I can put you on speaker. One moment. Oh yeah, there we go. Yeah, you're on speaker. You're on speaker.
Can you talk to me? Because I didn't realize that you put me on speaker just based on me hearing your voice. Like, it sounded pretty consistent.
There's a lot of
sibilance. A
sibilance.
little bit now, though.
Yeah, a lot of sibilance in the speaker, but it's loud. It's pretty clear. As a phone, not bad. But what about text? No, it doesn't have predictive T9? If this doesn't have predictive T9, that is actually trash. Okay, so you go in the settings, okay? Then you hit the gear. Then you get the option for predictive T9. Yeah, because that's a sensible place to put that. Does he still got it? Does he still? Wait, what is that? Okay, I'm pretty slow. This is the lowest effort soundtrack ever. Literally ever. Is it meant to enrage you? Couple specs that I didn't cover. They claim up to 9.8 hours of talk time and multi-day standby time. It has no Wi-Fi, which is freaking hilarious. And considering you can get like a used iPhone for not much more than like 100, 150 bucks, like, find an accountability buddy. Get them to set it up as like a kid device and lock down all the apps for you or something. Like, if you can't trust yourself, at least you'll have a camera that's worth taking pictures with. Subscribe to ShortCircuit. See you later.